So check this out, I'm vlogging in public, and guess what? We're gonna be doing a new challenge on this channel where, yeah, you're gonna be vlogging in public to win a GoPro Hero 11. Let me tell you more about it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way, but also do some fun challenges and things like this all the time. So if you like this kind of stuff and you're new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus a surprise link. So check it out. Now we're gonna be doing the vlogging challenge where you're gonna be vlogging in public, but let me just tell you more about this back in the studio so I don't miss any of the details. Okay, yeah, so it's a challenge. And for some of you, it's not gonna be easy, but that's kind of the fun part, is taking you out of your comfort zone and doing something like this. But let me just tell you all about the challenge, and a huge thank you to Telesin. They are providing the prizes for this challenge, which includes the top prize of the GoPro Hero 11. And do check out their store because they have a lot of good accessories for vlogging, and some of those might come in handy to try to win. So how this is gonna work, you're gonna get over your fear of talking to your camera in public. So find yourself a busy place, meaning a public place, and the busier, probably the better chances of winning. So this is vlogging, and yeah, I'm vlogging in public. And for that, I was actually just vlogging with the GoPro Hero 11 and the Wind Slayer and a selfie pole. It can be something as simple as an iPhone. And also down in the description, I'll put some links to some budget-friendly mics and lights and things like that to help up the quality, because this is gonna be voted on by a few different things. For one, better quality will help overall, so do your best, but try to have decent audio because we need to be able to hear you clearly. Two, it needs to be between 2 and 3 minutes, so minimum of 2 minutes, maximum of 3 minutes, nothing more. And for those 2 to 3 minutes, you're gonna be telling a compelling story of why you want to win the Hero 11. And make it interesting, don't just babble on. And also try to hold your camera up high and don't look embarrassed because we'll deduct points, so you have to look really confident. And it might take a couple of practice times to go out and try to do it right, so you know, this is a challenge. The other thing you have to do is, in your story, you have to mention a Telesin product, something that you either have that you love or something that you'd really like. And then you're gonna upload it to YouTube, and in the title, you're gonna tag me, so an @DannyBlack in the title. That way I can see all the submissions. Only one submission per person per channel. And in the description, you'll leave a link to the Telesin store, which I will provide for you down in the description of this video. I'll give you like 6 weeks from right now, so like sometime in mid-March, I'm going to be doing a members only live stream, and the members of this channel will help decide the top 5. By the way, if you want to become a member, it's only $1 a month. After that, I'll post the top 5 vlogs for you guys, the public, to vote on, and the top one wins the Hero 11. But also Telesin is giving away $100 vouchers for the Telesin store, and we'll even pick a random submission that didn't make the top 5 to win a $100 voucher. And I'll even give a random giveaway to someone that's voting. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. These challenges are a lot of fun, especially just to see what you guys come up with. But there we go. This is gonna be a fun challenge, and I'll put all the information down in the description so you can follow it nice and easily. Also, I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with for your vlogging challenge submissions. So send them in. And yeah, vlogging in public, it's trickier than you think, but you know, when you do it, it feels pretty cool, kind of. All right, stay tuned to the channel, and see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.
Stay tuned to the channel for more, and I'll see you next time.
Are you Danny Black?
You're gonna kiss me.